Hey, this is Dr. Young. So you might have heard this term before, but it's really interesting. It's called relative deprivation. And what that means is the feeling of being deprived when compared to something else or someone else. How does that apply? Well, let's say you're a 4.0 student, you go to Yale, and all of a sudden you're in the middle of the pack. Well, based on the relative position and based on comparison of all these smart people, you're going to have less confidence, and your likelihood of going to medical school or something further is less likely than if you went to an average school and you're still at the top of the class. And this also applies strangely to how happy a country is. If you are in the happiest country as opposed to the saddest country, the thought is that the risk of suicide is probably greater in the saddest country. But in fact, what you find is that the risk of suicide or the rate of suicide is higher in the happier country, because in the happier country, you're relatively more sad, or you think you're more sad. So the suicide rate is higher in the